Well, hey, you reached Dirt Bandits again today. Well, look at this Shelby right here. Good golly, Miss Molly. Is that a beautiful machine or what? And there's her owners. How you doing, ma'am?
What my daughter's named after. My daughter named Shelby.
there's the owners over it. Golly, she makes my sweet teeth hurt. What a beautiful machine. What a beautiful machine. Never in my wildest dreams could I ever imagine being able to lay paws on something like that. I've done Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Rolls Royces, Bugattis, but a Shelby, come on people. That's a Shelby. That's a Shelby Cobra. God. Imagine that. Imagine that. God bless y'all in the name of Jesus.